not sure what they've done. I just did an MOT, but they've changed my settings. So when I lock the car, I lock it, my display doesn't go off. And when I come back and unlock and come in, my cameras are not automatically turned on. So they've changed the settings somehow, and I don't like it because it says car off. Then when I come in, I'm not sure whether this is on or off. This is definitely off. So I'm really not sure what they've done to my controls, if they are but they can't have done anything else to it. It's just a display. It's auto. Then what did they do? No keyless driving, that's all fine. They did do some service, but they haven't touched any of this. So what did they touch? Really not sure what they touched, because this screen should go off. So let's leave the car and see whether you go off. Normally I walk away and then it will shut by itself. So let's walk away and let it shut itself. Usually when I get to about this point, it should, and it hasn't, it should close, but it hasn't. So it hasn't locked itself. So what did they do? What did the service centre? It hasn't locked. Let's check the screen. My screen is still on. It didn't lock itself. And even if I lock it, let's lock it. So just press this to lock. My screen is still on. Why is that? Even though I've locked it, why is this screen still on? If anyone knows, please leave a comment in the description below. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back again. And I just checked the forums actually. And I think I know the reason why the screen was still on. So the screen has come off. Auto door handles open. The screen's back on. The reason why the screen refused to shut was because the MOT guy had left the buckle, the seatbelt, in the buckle. Apparently that's a reason why the screen will not switch off when you leave the car. And it's a reason why the my digital rear view dash cam and also my cockpit dash cam did not switch on. So that's a top tip for you. Make sure the seatbelt buckles are not actually engaged when you leave the car. They always do up the seat buckles, and also my one here. All this is done. Schedule that later. Okay, they left that on. Restore the seats. Oof. And now I can go home.